Hey there, AI fans. Today in this special edition Agent Breaker episode, I want to unpack Inside Agent Breaker. It's a recent Lexical blog article by the Gandalf creators that explains how their Gandalf Agent Breaker challenge was built. The article gives us a rare peek under the hood, especially around how the scoring works. And that's the part that really makes Agent Breaker unique. In the last breaking point, we talked about how each level of Agent Breaker is like a threat snapshot. Here's where it gets interesting. Instead of just pass-fail, Agent Breaker scores each attempt on a scale. How much of the attack succeeded, that's key, because in real life, you don't always get everything you want in one go. Maybe you only leak half a secret, or the attack only works sometimes. That still matters. So how are we really measuring partial success? Let's get into that. Think of it like a teacher grading an exam with different rubrics. String similarity. Did you write exactly what the system expected? Like spelling a password, one wrong letter, partial credit. In ML terms, there are acronyms like bleu and rouge, which boil down to fancy spell checkers for AI outputs. The second is lexical overlap. Did you at least use the right words, like Scrabble for sentences? You might not have the whole sentence, but you've got most of the key words. Researcher terminology for this is called bag of words or n-grams. Next, you've got semantic similarity. Did you use different words, but they mean the same thing, like car versus automobile? Here, AI folks have what we call embeddings and cosine similarity, which is essentially just checking if two answers point to the same idea. There are classification checks, like did the model refuse when it shouldn't have? Did it stay on topic? Did the referee blow the whistle when the play went offside? This is done with classifiers that tag or classify answers as refusal or off topic. And finally, LLM judges. Well, we don't often condone LLM judges as the base for your security because that just leads to prompt injecting your security tools. In this case, sometimes you just need a second opinion. Using another AI as a cross-check to grade tricky answers dials in accuracy. By blending all of those together, Agent Breaker creates a score from 0 to 100 that reflects not just did you win, but how close did you get. That scoring system is special because it gives realism. Because attacks in the wild aren't just clean yes-no events. It gives you feedback because players can then learn and improve. So the real innovation here is that Agent Breaker doesn't just show agentic frailty. It teaches you by showing you how badly it broke. That nuance makes it both a game, a research tool, and a teacher. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to hacking Lecera's Agent Breaker.